How to put caption using Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put a caption using Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, you can take a picture or you can simply import one from a gallery. So I'll just take a picture here. And now before I teach you guys how you can put a caption, if you're new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So after you've taken a picture, what you'll need to do to add a caption is tap on the text area. You can tap on anywhere and you'll get this text area where you can type. Now what you can also do is tap on this T option on the top right corner to add the text. Now you can write whatever you want, that is the caption, and you can even select fonts. There are different fonts available and also different colors available. So choose whichever color that you'd like. And after you choose the color, what you can then do is you can simply add the caption wherever you want. You can place it and then you can send it. And that's basically how you put caption using Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video.